Hey guys, welcome back. Just checking out the Lexus dealership today. Looking for a GX 500. This is my second attempt
Is there any other ones down there?
at this Lexus dealership.
What's this one? At the Lexus dealership.
What's this one?
GX 460.
At the Lexus dealership. GX 460.
This might be up her alley. These are all used. TX 350. Well, let's see if anybody shows up today.
That's the only one.
So that's the GX 500 I just showed in that tan color. It's a very nice car. Come to find out, it's probably one of the most sought out vehicles at the moment from Lexus. They're being bought before they even show up. So the last time I was here, not a single person came to say hello or anything. I walked around, kind of did the same exact thing, with no ability to actually even look at the car. The same exact GX 500 was on the lot in the exact same position, but again, nobody came and greeted me. Therefore, I left.
That's the only one they have?
So today I was hoping to give them a second chance.
That's the only one they have on the entire lot.
Unfortunately, I didn't get to drive it. I did talk to a couple people.
Ain't nobody out here to talk to me.
Is this choice now? Yeah.
Can we go out and test drive that one?
Yeah, give me a second. This thing's nice. She wouldn't like this one though.
Not just color.
Well, not just style. This is like the
Well,
off-road
can we
package.
Test drive this for your video?
I'm recording shit.
This is the Overtrail package, kind of the off-road version. It's really nice. I like the color.
Good, how are you?
Good, how can I help?
Looking to see the GX, this one right here.
Yeah,
Is this the only one that you have?
yeah, that's a demo actually. It's not even available for sale. But I am with a guess I can get someone to help you out.
Okay, appreciate it.
No problem.
Let's see if we can. Alright, this has turbo, 349 horsepower. MSRP is $79,345. $15 city, $21 highway. Be nice if they would come out and show me. I mean, I would drive this. Front camera, mirror camera, heads up display. I wonder what that is. It's a button of sorts.
Here's where I actually get to talk to somebody. Nobody at the front desk though. A lot of waiting. And it wasn't busy at all.
Obviously, but
Obviously, but
Correct.
do you know when you're going to get any in?
We get them in all the time, but they're all pre-sold before they arrive.
Oh wow, okay.
The demand has been very high for them. Before the first one ever hit the ground, there was over 300 deposits in house. We're still running about at 125 to 150 deep. On average, at the least, you'll be waiting about 3 months. At the most, right now, we're estimating about 8 months. So depending on how quickly you needed a vehicle, if it's an option for you or not. But yeah, just the demand continues to be so high for that car, they can't produce them fast enough. And they're all made in Japan, so they spend 30 days on the water. So,
Oh wow, okay. Is there any way I could drive it? Because it's for my
yeah,
wife.
Let me see if somebody's available. I have a guest here, but
Okay.
I saw you waiting up here, and I didn't see the receptionist, so I want to make sure you're being taken
Thank you,
care
sir.
I did catch somebody vaping though, while it was so busy. You can see in the
that guy right there.
So instead of helping me, so this was it. I've decided that I will continue to try to test drive the GX 500, but not at this dealership.
Two minutes.
That's good.
Said a few minutes.
These are the only people that I actually saw that were buying something. So unfortunately, I will go to another one. This was all filmed on the Insta360. Still learning the nuances of it, so it is a little jumpy. It is attached to my head. But I do think on the next one, I'm gonna give this one a little break with the GX 500, and I will try
No, that's good.
maybe Mazda. I did cut this a lot because I waited around for quite some time.
Two for this place. We'll go to Roswell. We'll go to Roswell. No.
So that's it. Failed.
Well, don't go to this Lexus dealership in Vinings or north of a Parkway. Stop recording.